Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost and free admin dashboard templates as well. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. We'll see the beautiful Admin Pro Bootstrap 5 Plus Angular 19 for you. See, just brilliant. Fully responsive and totally free. Toggle sidebar, beautiful advanced search, day and night view, notifications, messages toggle, mega menu, languages token, user toggle as well. See, here's the content section, beautiful chart, works well. See, guys, all the things just work perfectly. See, guys, and here is responsiveness, friends. Like I said, it's fully responsive. Toggle sidebar as well. See, we'll see it will work for all the devices. And guys, like always, I will share the code snippet link inside this video description. And friends, if you will have any kind of queries, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, you can contact me via my blog. Here's the contact and advertise page. Here you will get my email, my Skype ID, and my WhatsApp number as well. Okay. Also, I'm full-time freelancer, and if you will have any kind of project, then feel free to contact me anytime. And that's also on this blog you will get multiple free admin dashboard templates, e-commerce templates as well. Here is Bootstrap 5, React.js and Vue.js as well. So guys, please do comment on this video, and after it I will come with more free templates as well for you as well. So friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you, have a nice day, take care, bye bye, and thank you.